Okay, hey guys, it's Moonpod1030 here, and I bring you a video of XX Smail's Den. Yes, I'm sick right now. It's cold outside, my nose does not like it at all. Okay, so I was in Jamar, and someone was yelling out, "Report him! Go to XX Smail's Den," and then I'm like, okay, and then I look him up. I'm like, okay, he's a member or so. And then I came here, and this is what happened. And there's no idea how old this guy is. It's just that's nasty. Ugh.
Oh, that's nasty.
Chichigo banana. Let's just go explore some more, see what else this guy has. Empty gems, empty. Not surprising. Alright, where is this guy? Oh my. Is it an old man? Ew. Okay. Okay, oh my god. Alright, so this guy, let's see. He's apparently been playing this for a while. I'm going to block him. Oh crap, wrong thing. Alright. Yep. There we go. Perfect. I'm getting out of here. Okay. I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it because it's just, oh hey there. Let's just go do best guess. So there's nothing else to do right now. Or you do know, hold on. They came out with new adventure, Bitter Sweets. Yeah, I haven't played it yet. The Phantom's been stealing loads of candy, and it's up to the brave pets of Jamar to get it back. This awesome adventure that is all jam. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, get my creepy voice on. Hey, over there. When I heard that the Phantoms have stolen all the candy in Jamal, I followed them through the portal to see what they were up to. I don't know how they're doing it, but they're somehow using the candy to create tiny prototype Phantoms. These proto-Phantoms aren't as big or as mean as normal Phantoms. And if you touch them, you can defeat them and get the candy back. If you can help get some of our candy back, I'll reward you with special prizes. The more candy you gather, the better prizes you'll get. It may be spooky out there, but I know you can do it. Good luck. Oh yay, how did you type on spooky voice? Okay. Oh my god, lag. Alright. Ew. Oh. Wait. I can't move. Okay. Are these proto? Yeah, I guess so. Touch. Touch.
You wanna mess with me?
I hit it? Oh! Oh my god, lag. Lag is contagious. Oh, you almost. Hold on! Oh my. Hold on. Alright. Okay, I'm good. Oh, whoa. Okay, wrong thing. Oh, I can't move. That's not spraying. Oh, okay. 2 more to go. Okay. I'm not going over there because I am lazy. Oh, it's a pipe. It's a nice looking pipe. Best looking pipe I've ever seen. Oh, more candy. Yeah! It's so hard not to cough. It's sad. Come here, let me touch your tra-la-la.
Touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Oh, yes. Oh! Alright, there we go. Happy face. Oh. Someone needs piano lessons. Oh my god, what is that? That is disgusting. What pipe moves like that? Oh my god. Oh. Please. Okay, oh, pee-pee. Alright, oh my god, pee. Whew. I don't feel good. But yet I'm recording. I'm only at 54, okay. My throat tickles. Tickle, tickle. Oh, this is comfortable. Surprisingly. Look at my little bee, it's so soft. Please come over here for candy. No. No, ooh, candy. Come here. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look, another bee. Oh. Ooh.